Hello friends, I have an unboxing to do. So I received my embellishment book from my swap partner and her name is Patty. I'm going to leave her information below because she is an absolutely wonderful, she makes the most beautiful stuff. So I want to leave her video channel below so you can go check out her stuff as well. She makes beautiful books and embellishments, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, so here's the unboxing and look at this beautiful book. Oh my gosh, look at those flowers. They are gorgeous, and she used my favorite paper. When I want to do anything that's old-timey or like vintage, I go with Graphics 45, so that's definitely this paper. I recognize it in a second, a heartbeat. Beautiful paper. So you have some sparkly butterflies here, and these cute little clips, all these little clips that are holding it all in. And each one of these pages has photo mats in it, so once you take all of the ephemera out, you can use this book as a photo album, a photo journal. And it looks like each one of these, so this is looks like some greenery, but each one of these looks like a photo mat. So she's got the ephemera on photo mats, which is awesome. So once I take the little beautiful flowers and all the stuff out, I can also use, let me open this and see. Look at that, that's a photo mat. Awesome. And then we've got all of these. Oh my goodness, these are made out of the paper. I love it. Oh, look at the little cards. Oh, this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I love this. I have little note cards that match with the matching paper. More clips. Love these clips. And oh, look at these ribbons. I'm in ribbon heaven right now. I can't wait to open that up and play with it. I'm gonna look at that. These fit perfectly right here. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to decorate this book. And oh, look, these are little wooden frames, and I think they have, let's open this, I think they have buttons on them. Let me see. Yep, they're buttons. I think she took wooden frames, she covered them with the paper, distressed them, and then she glued down the buttons. And then I think these are, they look like these ones that I got from Pretty Pink Posh that are clear. They're like water droplets, but these are colored, so I wonder if she colored them herself. I love them. They're beautiful. I can't wait to use them. And more photo mats. We got some tags. Look at these little daisies on them. And some very large bows. Oh, and they've got paper clips. Lovely. More photo mats. Oh, look, it's a stick pin. I love stick pins. And we've got more photo mats and more cut aparts in the back. And there's actually 3 in here. Oh, there's quite a few in that one. Let's see what's in here. So this one's got some cut aparts. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, look, look at these little bags and little tiny envelopes. I love it. Perfect. Patty, you did an awesome job. This is a gorgeous book, and oh, I can't wait to decorate it. Look at how much space there is in between these pages. Oh my goodness. I could put so much stuff on these. Could decorate the crap out of these pages. Although it's gorgeous the way it is, so I almost don't want to, but you know me, I can't leave anything alone, so I'm probably going to end up putting a bunch of stuff on it to decorate it up a little bit more and put more ephemera on there, so I've got so much space. Thank you so much, Patty, and I'm going to leave a link to her channel below, and so go check her out. She's awesome bookmaker. And thanks again, Patty. I will see you guys again real soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.